Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. In this video I will show you using jQuery how to get the selector radio button. I'm selecting train. See here we got the train, bike, car. If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates. I'm using Notepad++ for this video tutorial. Now in this Notepad++ contains a simple HTML5 code with some header tags h1, h2, and after the horizontal line I have added the 3 radio button controls and 1 label control to display the selected radio button value. But before writing the jQuery script, let's check the basic output, how it looks at designing part on the browser. And this is the output of that code, which contains right now the header tags and 3 button controls. Now my aim is, when I click any one of the radio button, I want to display that selected radio button value into this label control. So first thing, in the header section we need the latest jQuery CDN link. For that, let's go to browser, search for latest jQuery CDN Google, and from the search results I'm selecting the first one, hosted libraries. In the Google hosted libraries, notice at the corner there is a contents panel which contains the jQuery. Select that one. You can find different versions of snippets. I'm selecting the latest version 3.3.1. Just copy this part, add in our HTML header tag. After that, script, I'm closing the script tag. Now let's create a function radio get value, document dot get element by id. In get element by id method, I'm adding the label id between single quotes dot inner html is equals to, just add this value, get value. That's it. But one most important thing is, we need to add this function to every radio button element on change event. On change event is equals to, between double quotes, radio get dollar, the value is this, dot val method. Let's copy this and paste to every radio button control. That's it. We have done the complete coding part. Save the file. We'll check the final output on the browser. I'm reloading the browser. I'm selecting train. See here we got the train, bike, car. That's it.